You can now create Faceless YouTube channel videos with Claude and Remotion for free. So this channel has uploaded around like 110 videos, and that too with just around like 82,700 subscribers. And the best part is about that most of the videos are very easy to make. Stock footages and videos from Reddit, and some of the images can be taken from the internet as well. And it's all about nostalgia, American meals. And so if you can actually see the analytics of the channel has an RPM of $6, which is pretty good. And the channel made around $9,000 in the last 28 days and over 1 million views as well. So that actually explains 1 million views is around $10,000 almost in this Faceless niche. And it's just 110 videos that they actually put up in the channel. You know, for you to start with us, and that too for 70 videos, is just around $2,000. Imagine you can actually put up that and get 3 returns of that as well. As you can see over here, the reason why this niche has a higher, see, most of the viewers are male, then that is above the age of 40, 45 to 65. That's because most of the people feel all these things as nostalgic and they keep on watching it, and they might even watch these videos as sleep videos while they sleep as well. And eventually edit for an older audience, they don't need the flashy stuff coming up and going here and there. They just need the normal video. Alright, so coming back on how we are actually going to create videos with Claude and Remotion. So first things first, you actually need a Claude and Next Level subscription. So Claude, as you know what the tool is and what it can help you and stuff as well, it's literally the best thing happen on the AI industry. And coming to Next Level is a tool that can actually help you grow your channel by finding out outliers and the best videos performing as well as the best thumbnail styles. Mainly I use it to find niches and outliers that actually do really well, like this one I showed you. So let's set up. So the first thing is get a Claude account, go to Next Level, get the MCP details, copy those details and put it into Claude, just add as a connector, just add this, and then you are done, you're sorted. And I asked Next Level to actually find me niches that are doing really well at this moment in this niche. For example, I give them this prompt. And why this specific? Because US, Canada, and Australia are the best RPM countries at this moment, and it's going to filter you the best outliers that you can actually possibly find. So eventually we'll actually come up to a board such as this, which is the in this board, most of these niches are for the audience of 40 plus as well as 30 plus as well. Sometimes in the true crime industry, sometimes about science, sometimes about nostalgia and history. But all these channels are pulling minimum at least $2,000 a month, and these are really good variations that you can work on. So when you actually find a really great outlier, make sure that, let's say it's all about cars and the engine works of cars, make sure you actually create a variation for it. Just go do with bikes. That's pretty much it. Just give tips and tricks about how to maintain a bike's engine and stuff. Well, there's a lot of channels like that over in the industry. And now let's actually talk about editing the videos over here. So install these 2 skills, which is hyperframe and remotion. So these 2 skills are the most important part of the whole video production. So hyperframes fixes motion graphics and adds to your video, and remotion is like a video editor which edits the videos with code and gives you the final output. So let's say my channel is in this niche, Lost American Memories. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give a script and voiceover based on, so let's say you want to start a channel similar like this, just take the channel link and type in, so you can just give a prompt like this asking for variations, and that is how I actually found out a niche like this that's doing really well in the same thing. So in the other channel, it's about forgotten meals and kind of stuff. In this, it's about forgotten gentleman etiquettes that people were following in the past. It's a really good variation over there. So just ask for it, and that's it. Now coming to the editing part, what do you say? Once you have your channel and everything sorted out, ask for video ideas, and once you have a video idea, just go ahead and make a really good script with Claude itself. And for the voiceover part, you can actually use 11 Labs, and that's the best software to go for. And for thumbnails, obviously you can use Claude Code and Nano Banana. It creates the most best thumbnails really possible at the moment right now. As you can see, all these thumbnails and videos are actually created with the Claude Code and Remotion method. So while doing the production, you might actually come up with some hurdles as installing a couple of nodes, which you can just go ahead and install. It's no big thing. And for uploading, there's a tool called Zernio, which you can actually connect your channel through Zernio and then upload the videos to YouTube channel later on. And you can use Zernio to schedule the video. That's pretty much it. So if you want the whole process on how it actually works, I have a quick 5-minute video for you, and the link is in description. So all you got to just do is just watch the video, and if this is something interesting for you, book a call where we will set up the whole channel for you, as well as work on the videos for you and get the whole channel managed for you and get it monetized within 90 to 120 days. As our best. That's what we will try. So it's very easy to create videos with Claude and Remotion, as you know how it is. Just put it up to Claude, just use Remotion hyperframes, also get a script and voiceover, and you can extract a template from the reference channel that you have and use Next Level to find similar channels with that and to find younger variations. Bring down the style, copy it, edit the videos, publish it. It's pretty simple. So if you want a much detailed guide on this, just comment that you want a detailed guide and I'll work on it and